Ilim Tutor. The Phonetics of English, Vowels, Long and Short. Part 2, Practice with Tutor Gita Karnina. Today I'd like to go straight into a task where the correct vowel sounds need to be identified. Few examples will be given, and the correct vowel sound in each of them will need to be identified. Let's begin with short vowels. Try and remember the IPA transcription for the sound if you can. So number 1, boxing, ring, whistle. Correct vowel sound is I and it's transcribed as I, letter I. Number 2, net, netball, medal. The sound is as in these brackets. Number 3, fans, handball, athletics, match. Answer is and the phonetic symbol is like A and E together. Number 4, hockey, volleyball. The sound is O in both words. Number 5, umpire, luck. The answer is as the IPA symbol is upside down V. Number 6, football, push, put. The answer is U. The symbol is like U with curved sides. Number 7, better, tournament, loser. And the sound is and it's the IPA symbol is like upside down E. Now let's look at some long vowels. Number 1, team, arena, referee. The answer is E, and that's the phonetic transcription for the sound. Pay attention to the spelling of the same sound. It's quite different. Number 2, pass, basketball, sparring, partner. Long vowel sound is R. Number 3, ball, tennis court, draw. And the long vowel sound is O. Number 4, boot, lose, shoes. The sound is U, and the phonetic transcription is in these brackets. Number 5, hurt, reserve. The sound is It is worth noting down that the spelling for the same sound can be quite different. As in long vowels, example number 4, as in short vowels in example number 6. Please try and memorize them. It is going to help you to deal with spelling pronunciation issues with accuracy. Thank you for practicing with Ilim Tutor.